my old school soul food family? Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. We're up or down to Vlogmas day 16, y'all. Friday night pie of the week. So it's gonna get this on the Saturday, December 16th. We doing a best of both worlds, y'all. People out there that love that chocolate. I mean, you know I don't like chocolate. You've been watching me long enough. You know I don't like no chocolate. But this is for my chocolate lovers out there. It's gonna be like a chocolate brownie and a pecan pie, chocolate pecan pie all together. Very simple, very easy. Now let me show you what I got here for the brownie part, and I'll come back later and show you the topping. I don't want to get you confused. I got some bittersweet chocolate, and I got some semi-sweet chocolate chips. You must need both of them, because these we're gonna fold in later after we make the batter, and these we're gonna actually melt inside the batter. I got some salted butter, some granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, and some vanilla and a couple of eggs back there. So very simple, very easy pie, y'all. It's gonna be very festive for y'all and show for your family, friends, and neighbors. Very simple. First thing we need to do, y'all, we need to melt this bittersweet. You see, I got my par-baked crust back there. I'll par-bake it by 5 minutes in the oven, y'all. But what I want to do, I want to melt this this bitter unsweetened. It's really unsweetened chocolate. I want to melt it down, so I'm gonna melt it with this butter here. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a bowl here. Y'all keep stirring. Y'all just keep stirring at that chocolate melting. Y'all make sure it don't burn on me. Okay. Let me get my eggs over here. Trying to mix them up with the fork here. Yeah, y'all, this is a very simple pie. Takes about 45 minutes to cook, but it's well worth it. Just like any pie, pecan pie takes about an hour to cook. So what I want to do, I want to melt this together, y'all. This is all melted together. This takes 5 minutes to do, y'all. I hope everybody enjoying these Vlogmas out there. I'm absolutely loving it. Y'all know me. I love to cook. So you know I'm enjoying these Vlogmas. Okay, so I'll go and get them. Try to melt this up in here. Get this all melted. I ain't even go to a commercial break, y'all. We're gonna leave y'all right here. Leave y'all right here. Turn that off. Now we're gonna move y'all over here to the workstation here. Now I'm gonna take this butter and chocolate that I just melted off. We're gonna pour that in the bowl. Pour that in the bowl here. There we go. Now let's start mixing some stuff up. We're gonna put this sugar in here. Get it mixed up. I'm gonna mix that sugar around there so it can, I don't feel no residual sugar. I wanna kinda mix it up where you don't feel, kinda feel them granules gone in the sugar. That's what I wanna do. Now we're gonna add our flour to this. Get that mixed up in there. Y'all see where we going here, huh? Y'all see where we going here. Get my eggs in here. Get my eggs mixed up in here. Say you don't need no mixer. All you need is a little elbow grease there. My mama used to say. Put the vanilla in there. Get the vanilla mixed up in there, y'all. Oh yeah. Look how smooth that is. Now last thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna fold in them chocolate chips. You know how you have a real brownie and you fold them chocolate chips in at the end? We're doing the same concept. We just made a brownie batter, y'all, freehand. I'm gonna put them semi-sweet chocolate chips in there. I'm gonna fold them in there and so. Look at that, look at that. How easy is that? Get our pie crust here, y'all. Pour it in our pie crust. There we go. How long did that take, y'all? How long did that take? That didn't take long at all, huh? What the video say? What the video say how long it took? Took 5 minutes, y'all. I didn't even go to a commercial break. Didn't even go to a commercial break, y'all. So we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 40 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean up here a little. We come back, we gotta make the topping for this. Gotta have the pecans in there, why it's called a pecan brownie pie. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. The pie is out of the oven, y'all. See that beautiful pie? But we're not through, y'all. We gotta make the glaze for this. And I suggest not making the glaze for this until the pie comes out the oven, because you don't want to let the glaze get warm. So in the glaze here, cold I mean. So in the glaze here, y'all, we got corn syrup, light brown sugar, vanilla, a little water, cinnamon, and nutmeg, chopped pecans, and butter. So what we're gonna do first, there's a step to this, y'all. And everything, huh? We're gonna melt the butter and the pecans, get them a little toasted. Butter in here. Get it melted up here. Because we're gonna toast these pecans up. Get a little toast on them right here and here. And then we're gonna add the other stuff in there and cook it for about 5 minutes until it gets thick. And we're gonna pour it on top of the pie and let it cool and harden. How easy is that, y'all? And y'all gonna impress your neighbors and relatives and co-workers, whoever else you have over your house for Christmas, doing the Christmas parties and all that's going on right now. So I'll be right back in just a second. Be right back. All right, y'all, we back. The butter is melted. Now I'm gonna add these pecans in here and kind of toast them off a little in here. Kind of get a little toast on them, y'all. I don't want to put them in there raw, so we're going to kind of toast them off here about 3 or 4 minutes. And once it toasts off, in the meantime, while that's toasting off, we're going to move back over here, and we're going to mix this sugar. We're going to mix the brown sugar with the cinnamon and nutmeg. Mix that all together. Get a little spoon here, y'all. Make sure my pecans don't burn over here. I'm toasting them up. You know, you don't want your pecans to be raw. You want them to have a little toast on them. But I'm gonna mix this up here. Cinnamon, nutmeg, kind of mix that up. Brown sugar got a little hard on me sitting out there use my fingers, y'all. Mix this up here. Get that all mixed up. And we're gonna add all this to the pot here, and we're gonna let this simmer or just on low temperature for about 5 or 6 minutes. I want it to thicken up. All this stuff to thicken up, y'all. Move back over here to the nuts. You can smell the roasted nuts there cooking. Move y'all back over here. There we go. Smells amazing, y'all. Smells absolutely amazing. Now all we're gonna do now, y'all, I'm gonna add that other teaspoon of butter that I had back in there. We're gonna add the brown sugar. Cinnamon and nutmeg. Add the corn syrup in here. All this goodness, y'all. All this goodness in there. Look at that. Goodness there. Add a little bit of water in there, y'all. And we're gonna simmer this, turn it down just a little. And right at the end, we're gonna add our vanilla. You know, you add the vanilla right at the end to get the full effect of the vanilla. And this don't take long, y'all. You see, you just want to let it get really thick. Takes about 5 minutes at the most. So we'll be back when it's getting thick, and we'll add our vanilla and we'll pour it on the pie. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, we're gonna throw our vanilla in there. Put the vanilla in there, y'all. Smells amazing, y'all. Like I say, you want this to get really thick. And then we're gonna pour it right on the pie, y'all. I like to go through that like that. That'll give it an idea if it's getting thick by how it drips. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. 1 minute. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, we'll turn this off, y'all. And we're going to take this here, spread it right over this pie right here. All we're going to do, take it off. Here, spread on that good. Make sure it's good and mixed up. We're going to spread it right over the pie, y'all. Right over this pie right here. Evenly as possible. How easy is this, huh? How easy is this? How easy is that, right? Spread it right over the pie. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to let this thing cool. And once it's cool, we're going to come back here. And I'm going to cut it up. And I got to prove to y'all how good it is. Look at that, look at that. Ain't that pretty? That'll be pretty for your Christmas parties right there, huh? Nice and pretty for your Christmas party. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back. I'm gonna let it cool for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Come back, I'll cut it, and we'll see how good it is. Old school brownie pecan pie, y'all. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. The pie is cooled a little, still a little warm. Look at this pie, y'all. If you're a chocolate lover, you got that brownie. See that brownie in there? Then you got the pecans on top. And pecans is hard on top. Listen to this, listen to this. That's all a crust on top. That's that nice glaze we made that hardened. See that? Nice crispy crust, golden brown. That's what you want to serve for your Christmas, y'all. Guarantee you serve this to your neighbors and friends for Christmas time, they're going to talk about it in a good way for months. So anyway, look at that. Like a brittle on there. That's what you want. Look at that. Look at that there, y'all. Oh, wow. I'm not a chocolate fan, y'all, but I like the pecan topping. The crunchy pecan topping on top, absolutely amazing. Like I said, if you like brownies, look at that crust on that. And this pie is still slightly warm too. Crust is perfect while I pork bake my crust. Like I say, this is something definitely you will impress your neighbors and friends with, y'all. You definitely will. So let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Vlogmas Day 16 is done.